Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I am a fashion freak, a Goyard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic chic shitter. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick what fits in my bag / ways to wear this Goyard Boeing 25 little toiletry bag / mini trunk / mini duffel bag, and just the detail of the bag. If that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Let's just get right into it. So this is the Boeing 25 toiletry bag. I think the 25 is 25 centimeters, so this length 25 centimeters, so it's Boeing 25 toiletry bag, 25 centimeters this length. It's kind of like a big rectangle square bag for toiletries, right? But also like duffel. I mean, you could carry it like this, you can carry it like this, hey look, it's right here, hello. Or like this, whoa, other side, hello, hello. I guess you could kind of hold it, I mean, you could hold it like this. Really, it's, you know, it's for being packed in other things. But what I found, which I discovered, which I'm really excited about of a way to wear it, is to buy this other little, I mean, you can buy a strap, I think, but there's nowhere to hook a strap here, so I guess you can't really buy a strap. You can buy a strap for the bigger Boeing, but not for this one. But I bought this little keychain to be a keychain, but since it's the same color, if you unbutton this, you kind of just hook it in there, and then you close it like that. Now, it's got a little strap. It's got a little wristlet. So you can wear like a little wristlet, you know? Little, hey, look at me. Hey. See? Or even like, I don't know if you can see this, so we're gonna come up here, like that. Like that. Like that, like that, like that, like that. So yeah, that pretty much covers the basics of that. It's got two, I'm going to talk about the bag a little bit. So one zip, big pocket. It's got, and we're going to take this off just so that you can open it. So it opens up like that, which, you know, makes it easier to get in there and get in stuff inside. 4 leather corners, like folded, really nice, soft leather corners, which I really like. And then it's got 2 pockets in here, 2 open side pockets. It says Goyard, Paris, made in France there. It smells so good inside. And then it's got a little leather tab in here with its, like, you know, code ID number thingy. And no, it's got this too. And that's kind of like the gist of it. I mean, this is a little bent, and I think that's how it's supposed to be, because there is some like plating in here. And it's got 2 these and then 1 this. You know, these and this. That's the back. We'll just do a 360 right now. What up? Okay, so that's that. Lovely, lovely, love it, love it. Now let's just do a quick like what fits inside. So actually, to do that, we gotta open these again. So take you out. It smells so fresh in here. So if you're using it as a toiletry bag, let's do toiletries. So big cream, bam, she's in. Another big cream, bigger cream. I guess if you were using this as a toiletry bag, but you're not checking it, you probably would want to put smaller creams in. But just for the showing you like the volume of what can fit. So I've got like 5 creams in here already, and that takes up the bottom, but there's still more, you know? And then I could put like these kind of things in the side pocket, maybe, or not. Let's try standing this up. Can I stand it up? No, doesn't stand up. Lie it down. Lie it down. Okay, let's do some of the shorter ones. So shorter ones in the side pocket. Or, you know, the things that you're worried about that might spill or something. I don't know. Okay, so maybe this, yeah, these all aren't gonna fit. So actually I'm running out of space already. So, but I've gotten a good, you know, I'll do something smaller. Smaller, that will fit. Smaller, that will fit. Maybe if I rearrange this a little bit. What I'm not accounting for is that I filled the whole big pocket space with stuff, but then when you start putting things in the pocket, that opens up the pocket and that takes space too. So I gotta rearrange some of the big pocket stuff so that there's space for the little pocket stuff to actually sit in the little pockets. So I am going to do that real quick. But this is basically my daily morning routine worth of stuff. And if I lie a couple of them on top, let's do that. Okay, so now it's pretty stuffed. Yep. Zip shut. Button shut. I mean, you get the idea. But yeah, that's what it looked like stuffed if you didn't button it on either side. I think over time that this is a wear thing that folds, this crease will start cracking. At least on the bigger ones I've seen that, or I've heard that. I haven't gotten a bigger one yet, but I'm going to. It's on my list. It's just impossible to get, or they never have it. And I want to get it in France because it's going to be way cheaper and they don't have any in France. Okay, so let's just do it like this. But let's say you needed your makeup bag for the day, for set, or for traveling, or, you know, just to have on you. With a little strap. It's heavy, but I would probably still hold it like this, because I would hold it like this or hold it like this. Okay, let's say you wanted to use it not as a makeup bag or not as a toiletry bag and just like a regular day bag. Once again, stuffed. Now we're gonna take everybody out. Bye. 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 You can see a little better, like I use the side thingies right there. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye. I guess a con is that it's all cloth, so if we use a makeup bag, it can get stained pretty easily, because I think I just have already stained it. Oh no, it's all clean. So now if you want to use it, I guess, as like a regular bag, thinking with the red theme, I'm gonna put some red, put a red card holder in a little side pocket, and then another red card holder, and a red journal on this side. Those take up the two sides. There's still a bunch of space in the middle. I mean, essentials, keys, more keys, AirPods, this little keychain if I want to use it, and if I don't want to use it. I wouldn't even put my wallet in here because it kind of like gets a little heavy and flimsies over like that, unless you do it flat. Let's do like that. So we'll do that, and then we'll put the card holder there. Like that and that. I mean, there's still so much space. If you wanted to use this as like a day bag, you can put a lot in here. Let's do this. I always like to put the dust bag in just in case you want to protect it or use it, or just to cover it at the top so they can't see what's inside, even though it does have a zipper. But like in case you want to like not set it down and you want to set it out down on the dust bag, or you have to like, if it's like going somewhere where you need to put it under your seat or whatever, you can just put it in the dust bag and to protect it. I'm gonna put this red Cartier box on the floor here because I want to think of the red theme and just see the space, how much space we can get in here. So this is gonna go like that, but it'll fit. So if you like bigger things, here's another one. They'll fit. I mean, your phone obviously would fit easily in here. That's gonna be pretty stuffed now. I probably wouldn't put both of those in there. Let's put one. Put a red bracelet because we love red today and every day. Okay, there. Oh, and this. Doom. Stuffed. Not too heavy. Kind of heavy. But like, definitely can fit all your day essentials. Definitely can take it as a day bag. Or like a night clutch. I mean, why not? Right? It's the era of fashion and being unique and different and creating your own style and your own buzz and your own blah, blah, blah. So... yeah, I don't know if this is my stuff or this bag, but like all these little flaky things very easily get into it. So it might be my stuff. It's got to be my stuff because obviously flaking from my stuff, but they get easily attached onto the yellow. So I don't know if that's a pro or a con. Probably con. Anyway, that's this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like that video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please, 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 please share with your friends and family. You hate it, share with your enemies, exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. Mwah. Love you. Bye.